Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. J'apprends le français avec Vincent. And in this video, we'll discover together les temps en français et en anglais. So, many persons have been asking me if it would be possible to make somehow this video comparing the French tenses and the English tenses, and of course it's not that easy, but well, no problem. I can try to help you with this topic, so let's discover that together. Les temps en français et en anglais. And the first one is of course le présent. Tu regardes. Okay, so if you want to translate this, tu regardes, well, in English it would be you watch, you do watch. Okay, tu regardes. Then le présent progressif. Okay, tu es en train de regarder. And in English it would be you are watching. Okay, tu es en train de regarder. Le futur proche. And le futur proche will give you tu vas regarder. And in English, you are going to watch. Okay? Tu vas regarder. Le futur simple, tu regarderas. Okay? In English, it would be you will watch. Tu regarderas. Le futur antérieur, tu auras regardé. And in English it would be you will have watched. Tu auras regardé. Le passé composé, tu as regardé. This one is a bit tricky because you could translate that with you watched, you have watched, or you did watch. Ok, tu as regardé. L'imparfait, tu regardais. And in English, it could be you were watching, you used to watch. Ok, tu regardais. Le plus que parfait, tu avais regardé. And in English, it would give you you had watched. Tu avais regardé. Then, le passé simple, tu regardas. You watched. Okay? Tu regardas. Keep in mind that le passé simple is a bit more rare nowadays, so we tend to use more often le passé composé when we speak, but you can see this passé simple quite often in literature or written, written form of the past. Okay? Tu regardas. Le passé antérieur, tu eus regardé. You had watched. Like the passé simple, le passé antérieur is a bit more rare nowadays. Le conditionnel présent, tu regarderais. And in English it would be you would watch. Tu regarderais. Le conditionnel passé, tu aurais regardé. And in English it would be you would have watched. Tu aurais regardé. Le subjonctif présent, and it would be que tu regardes. And in English it would be you, do, are, will, may watch or watching. So it's quite tricky because this subjunctive présent doesn't exist in English. So if you have no clue about the subjunctive présent, then I've been doing quite many videos covering this topic, and I definitely invite you to watch them because it's a quite important tense, this subjunctive présent. And then le subjonctif passé, que tu aies regardé, and in the same way it will be a bit tricky to translate, but it could be you did watch, you will, may, or have spoken. Sorry, it's not spoken, but it's watched in that case. Okay, sorry about that. Voilà, au revoir et à bientôt.